What the
Can the
Shrek
cat
collab,
get a
dude?
skin? Wait, Barbie collab? Make the cat, what's his name, Bibble.
Oh my god, yeah.
Dude, that was play so hard. Make the cat Bibble, and we already know Mercy's getting fucking Barbie, and Kazuki's
Yeah.
getting Kin.
Yeah.
So it's the same 5 characters. I was gonna say, I want a Nemo collab.
Nemo?
Finding Nemo.
Who would be the fish?
They're all fish.
You're right.
That got me. Who would be the fish? They're all fucking fish.
Okay, but who would be the girl with the braces? Moira.
Yeah. Moira would be
She has
the
that orange
braces
hair.
girl. Nemo.
Who are like basically the twins in this game? Cause that could be the son and the
And the
kid.
dad. Can we do Roadhog and Junkrat?
Yes, Roadhog could be the dad. Roadhog could be the daddy. Junkrat could be the little kid. He's a little
Yeah,
sub.
and then Dory. Dory can be Mercy.
Yeah. So I'm behind them. Pornhub, X Overwatch.
Pornhub X Overwatch. No?
No? Really?
How would you even do that?
I don't know, don't ask me. I'm not the person that makes collaborations.
Colored skins, I guess. Orange or black skins. The Lorax. Who's the Lorax?
Fuck.
Can it be Moira?
Torb, could he short and fat?
Oh my god, yes, Torb can be the Lorax! He totally gives Lorax energy.
Okay, who's the one slave though?
Moira.
You think? I feel like they'd put a dude for that. Coconuts.
Let's see, who could... Okay. Who could be the one slur? Who gives dickhead energy? Cassidy?
Let me see.
Could be
Yeah,
Reaper.
I think Cassie's our best bet.
Yeah, Cassidy. And then...
They'd probably make like the little bears or something like the
Yeah,
fish or shit.
the bears and the fishies. The cat should be the fishy. And the bears
Yeah.
should be Roadhog or Malga. Because they're big and fat.
Probably, yeah. Or they'll give it like a cute skin to like one of the girls.
Yeah. Mercy could be a fishy. A Disney Princess collab would be fucking slay.
Yeah.
But that would never happen.
They had a My Little Pony on their like dream board.
Shut the fuck up. Can I be Rainbow Dash? No, that would be fucking... That would be Tracer.
Pinkie Pie would probably be Mercy.
I'm not sure
Or
Moira would get
Tracer.
one. No, Tracer would be Rainbow Dash because her whole thing is being fast.
Oh, true.
Pinkie
They'd
Pie is
probably
Deaf
Pinkie
Mercy.
Pie. Who's Are their names Rarity or some shit?
Is Rarity the magic one?
I think Rarity's the one with that says purple and white.
I don't see. It'd be based off what they do, and I don't remember what they do.
Yeah.
Oh my god, Winx Club.
Sombra and Balgo. Oh my god, yes. We already know Mercy would get a skin in that one.
Kiriko would get a skin too.
We want that Shrek collab though.
Dude, I want the Shrek collab so bad. Minion collab?
The cat would be such a good minion. Too.
The cat would be a good minion. And I need Moira to be Gru.
She could also be Gru's
Gru's
girlfriend or
wife. Okay. Yes, Moira could be the wife. Who the fuck is Gru though? Oh, you know who would slay for the Winx Club?
Who?
Anran.
Oh my god, she would.
She'd be so slay.
Dude,
SpongeBob?
no one likes Colosseum. Please, yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please. Who'd be Patrick? Hog.
I feel like Hog and Junkrat would be the fucking Patrick and SpongeBob.
Yeah, they definitely would.
You literally can't pick anybody else.
Yeah, you actually just can't.
Squidward is Reaper.
Oh yeah.
Who's Mr. Krabs? Torb could be Mr. Krabs.
What could be Mr. Krabs? Who would be Sandy? Brig.
I was gonna say Zarya, but yeah, Brig.
Daria or Brig. Then who would be Pearl? Mr. Krabs' girlfriend. Or, sorry,
Pearl?
child. My
That's
bad.
his daughter!
Yeah. I said girlfriend.
Well, then it'd be Torb and Brig.
Yeah.
I love how we just pick through the same list of like 10 characters every time.
Bro, because they're all good fits.
They are.
Guarantee it'd be like Mr. Krabs, like Moira or some shit.
Yeah, it'd be some weird
Like-
shit.
Oh god. Diva's fucking Pearl.
Lifeweaver could be Kin.
Oh my god, yes!
I'll find my own path.
That would slay so hard. Lifeweaver would also be good for Wings Club. Like Jinderbin that shit.
Yeah, or there might be a male character in there somewhere.
There
What about
is.
Sailor Moon. Isn't there a male character in Sailor Moon?
Shut the fuck up, Sailor Moon would slay.
Mercy would obviously get a skin in that. Mercy would get a skin. Mercy would find a way to get a skin in every single one of these.
No, literally. I forgot I swapped and I tried to throw an orb and I just ended up throwing my cleanse. Chowder.
Chowder!
Chowder collab.
You can't get me.
What's the fucking big dude's name in Chowder?
I don't know.
The brown one that looks like a piece of steak.
Rada rada rada.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I don't know his fucking name.
I don't know. I wish they would change like their voice lines in that one.
I feel like he could be Hazard.
Rada 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 rada.
Rada rada rada.
Who would
Gives
be Chatter?
Hatter.
The cat.
Yes. Family Guy
Who's
collab.
gonna be one? Family Guy collab. American Dad collab.
Yes.
Simpsons collab.
Yes. Regular show.
Yes. Looney Tunes collab. That would be cute.
Yeah.
And then Garfield could be the cat.
Yes. Who's the dog?
Who gives off big dog energy?
Junkrat.
She does.
That's just because he's stupid though.
Yeah. Who would be the dad?
I don't know.
I feel like
Sigma?
Sigma?
Yeah. Why not? Give the man a skin. Scooby-Doo collab.
Scooby-Doo.
Yeah.
Okay, who would be the dog? And who would be Scooby and who would be Shaggy?
I feel like any stupid idiot duo is just fucking Junkrat and Hog.
I know.
Bob's Burgers.
Yes, please.
And can Moira please be Tina? Or
Yes!
Louise. Tina or Louise.
Oh my god. Louise for sure, because Louise is evil.
Yes. If that happened, I would spend so much money so fast to buy the whole pack.
Bro, I would too. Same with like
Low-key,
Simpsons,
May
like,
could be
Family Guy
Louise.
ones. Oh my god.
Or Tina.
I feel like she gives off Tina vibes. Who's Jean? Who's like nasty and fart filled.
It's literally just Junkrat again.
Junkrat, yeah. They'd probably fucking give it to like Cassie or some shit.
That's what
Who'd
I
be
was
the
gonna
dad?
say. Who would
Who'd
be
be
the
Bob?
dad?
Who'd be Bob? Who'd be Linda?
Hazard could be Bob. Linda could be Enron.
See?
Who's Teddy? Hog.
I feel like that'd be Hog, yeah. See, we make up so many skins for Hog and Junkrat, yeah, I don't think they've got like any collab skins.
No, literally. Or Linda could be Widow.
Oh, true, 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 true.
Adventure time!
Oh my god.
Powerpuff Girls.
Princess Bubblegum would obviously be Mercy.
Yeah, probably.
Who would be Finn and Jake? That's just Hog and fucking...
Make Jake the cat.
Oh my god, okay. Who would be Finn though? Who has like a courageous heart and like...
Emery?
Emery? No. He's kind of depressed now. Who's a cheery guy that isn't Junkrat?
Baptiste.
Yes! What about Ice King? Hazard.
Or, yes, Hazard because those crystals.
Yes. Just make them blue. Oh my god.
Twilight.
But I would buy all of those fucking
You're
skins.
so dead ass.
I don't care if it went to all the characters I played or none of the characters I played.
Alright, who's Bella?
Who's Carlisle?
Soldier. Make...
You think?
Yeah. That or Sigma. Make Doomfist Emmett. Make Enron Alice. Who's Edward?
Soldier, I don't know.
Edward is not.
Genji?
Yeah. Could be Genji. Who's Jacob?
Baptiste.
Baptiste. Wait, Venture could totally be Jake. And then Finn could be Junkrat or some shit.
Oh my god! No, Venture could totally be Finn.
Yes. She gives Finn energy. And then Jake could still be the cat.